Paul Factora. The time to update to a VCast phone is now during Red Hot Deal Days, but hurry, sale ends soon at Verizon Wireless. Now hang on to your lifeline, a whole new ER is next on NBC. These bozos will do anything to save their academy. Anything. Police Academy 3 coming up next. Levi's Relaxed 559s. Levi's, a style for every story. Rediscover what the rest of the world is discovering. Miller Beer. Good call. Make some easy Mac cups. Warm and cheesy Kraft mac and cheese right when you need it. Quick. White Castle's roasted garlic chicken sandwich draped in roasted garlic cheese. It's a whole new way to crave. On the Jamie Foxx Hour, Fancy trusts Jamie with her brand new car. Not a good move. Then on an all-new Steve Harvey.
Excuse me, let me holler at you.
Want to impress a date? Rent some parents.
Oh, God, no.
A full night of comedy starting at 8, 7 Central on the WB Friday Groove. Matt Camden wanted independence.
I figure if I find an apartment I like, I could actually get inspired to find a job.
He wanted to live away from his family.
Do you really want to share a smaller space with another guy?
Are you kidding? If it gets me out of here, yeah.
Now that he's gotten his wish,
This place is great.
it's everything he's ever dreamed of.
What was I think? I'm a grown man. I should be more responsible.
A full night of Seventh Heaven on the WB Monday. Paul Factora.
Well now, stranger, you don't look like you're from around these here parts.
All right, dickbags, get down on all fours and give me 100 push-ups pronto. 10, hut! I reckon I'm the rootin'est, tootin'est, six-shootin'est, honky-tonk Texas gunslinger you done ever seen. Avast there, you scurvy, saltash she-dogs. I feel it upon the shivering timbers as the water bodes well. Set sail, me hearty mateys, for the treasure trove of David Jones is upon me. The sum of the square roots of any two sides of an isosceles triangle is equal to the sum of the square root of each remaining side.
Infidel, you have trespassed upon the land of the damned. The price you will pay is the suffering of your soul to eternal fire.
Hello, Alice Footprints. Scooby-Doo.